In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to fix Roblox Error Code 9007. So this error code indicates an issue with the Roblox servers and nothing to do with your device. You can verify this by opening up a browser and then searching status.roblox.com. As you can see at the moment, everything's working for me, but if this code is popping up, then 9 times out of 10 this will be red and not operational. If that is the case, then the best thing to do is to just wait it out. But if it's all in the green like me, then what you'll need to do is close out of Roblox. Then you want to double check that it's actually shut down. So go to the Apple logo, go to Foursquare, and if Roblox is in here, then just press Foursquare. Now that it's closed, what we need to do is clear our cache. So to do this, go to Go to Folder. Then you want to type this in. I'll leave it in the description down below. Press enter, edit, select all, file, move to bin. So now that we've cleared our cache on our computer, we want to clear our cache on our browser. So you want to open up a Google Chrome browser again, or whatever browser you're using. 3 dots, delete browsing data. Make sure that cached images and files are selected, and then select the time frame to just before this issue actually arose. Then all you need to do is press delete data. Once you've followed all these steps, Roblox should be working again for you. Thank you for watching the video. Let me know down in the comments below if you found this helpful.